Hi everyone. Today we are unboxing the DVD player model number 3288HD from the brand ibell. This player comes with a built-in amplifier, a 4-digit digital display, HDMI, and USB copy function. It is having almost all options for a home theater system. In addition to that, it gives decoded 5.1 audio output. Also, you can connect speakers directly to speaker out terminals. The built-in amplifier have sufficient power to drive normal stereo speakers. This DVD player is made from good quality material for the price offered and perform multimedia functions too. It comes with fiber optical and coaxial output with remote control. It is a good DVD player with so many features and connectivity options. A coaxial out, optical out, composite video out, not commonly seen as video out, etc. It is a good product to buy considering the budget and the price tag. It serves or fulfills the purpose perfectly.